Hello everyone. Let me show you the function of this alternative material. This is its icon. Press the button and you can see the main screen. On the left side is the operating area, and the right side is the display area. The first step is to define the target material that you want. The most common situation is that we can't find the target material in MHC database. However, we can still find the alternatives by just input the physical data here. These physical data are usually from the datasheet provided by the supplier. For example, MFI, density, melt temperature, mold temperature, filler weight percentage and tensile modulus, etc. The unit for the properties is here. Make sure your input data is correct and input at least 3 properties for searching your alternatives. The searching engine can't start if your input data are less than 3 items, so please make sure input over 3 items before you click the button. Then, press the button to find alternatives. Here shows the list of alternatives and its similarity score. Select one of alternatives. Here shows the relationship between alternative and target material. As you can see, it's easy to see the differences of MFI, density, melt temperature and mold temperature compared to target material. If you have no idea what physical properties should be input, here are 2 examples for reference. The first example. These physical properties are dominant for filling analysis. In the second example, these physical properties are dominant while performing warpage simulation, and CLTE is the most significant property.